In chapter number first is the power electronic devices. In power electronic devices, there is already studied the power BJT. What is the difference between a normal BJT and power BJT is that power BJT having a high voltage, power BJT having a high current, etc. So power BJT are widely used. Second power electronic devices is the power MOSFET. These are some outlines of these lectures. First outline is the basic structure, features, symbol, structure, operations, advantages, disadvantages and applications of power MOSFET. What is the meaning of power MOSFET? Power is already, you know that power is the controlling devices, and MOSFET is nothing but metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistors. MOSFET means metal oxide semiconductor. MOSFET means metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistors. Power BJT is a current control device, but MOSFET is the voltage control device. What is the difference between current control device and voltage control device? Current control device is nothing but output current is depend on input current. In BJT, output current is IC and input current is IB. So depend IB is IC is depend on the IB. So it is called as the power BJT. Power transistor, IC depend upon IB. IC depend upon IB. So it is called as current controlled. Current controlled. IC is depend upon IB. But in power MOSFET, IC is depend upon the voltage. IC depend upon voltage phi. So it is called as the power voltage control device. Features of power MOSFET. These are some features of power MOSFET. Low input current. It is a voltage controlled device. Switching speed is very high. High switching frequency up to 100 kilohertz. In power BJT, this frequency is up to only 10 kilohertz, but in power MOSFET, this frequency is up to 100 kilohertz, and they do not have problem of second breakdown mechanism. These are some features of power MOSFET. These are the symbol of power MOSFET. Power MOSFET having a three terminals such as drain, gate, drain, gate and source. Power MOSFETs are divided in are two types, N channel MOSFET and P channel MOSFET. These are depends on the arrow direction. Here the current is flowing from source to gate. In N channel, current is flowing from source to gate. But in P channel, current is flowing from gate to source. This is asked for 2 marks in theory paper. Draw the symbol of power MOSFET. Draw the symbol of BJT. Symbol and structure of power MOSFET. Power MOSFET having a three terminals, gate, drain and source. Power MOSFET having a four region such as N plus, P, N minus and N plus. N plus layer is heavily doped while N minus layer is lightly doped layer. This is the structure of power MOSFET: N plus, P, N minus and N plus. Here the N plus layer is heavily doped and N minus layer is lightly doped. Source and drain are connected to N plus layer. Source and drain are connected to N plus layer. See here, this is the source. Source are connected to N plus layer and this one is the drain. Drain are connected to N plus layer. P-type middle part termed as body. This P-type, this one is the P-type. This P-type term is considered as body term and this N plus term, N minus term is called as drift region. See here, N minus layer is termed as drift region. Gate connected with SiO2 layer. See here, gate connected to SiO2. These are the gate. These gate are connected to this called as the SiO2 layer. This is the SiO2 layer. Connected to SiO2 layer. Now, metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor is developed by combining the areas of field effect concept and MOS technology. The conventional planar of MOSFET has the restriction of handling the high power, but in power MOSFET used for high power applications. The power MOSFET is a 3 terminals: gate, drain and source, having a 4 layers. In short, power MOSFET having a 3 terminals: gate, drain and source, having a 4 layers: N plus layer, P, N minus and N plus. N plus layer is the highly doped, N minus layer is heavily doped, P layer is used for body and N minus is used for drift region. Unipolar power MOSFET is a unipolar, that is here the conduction takes place only one majority carriers, either holes or electrons. Operation of power MOSFET. The power MOSFET is a minority carrier device. The conduction takes place only one type of electrons. Here the conduction takes place either holes or electrons. This is the minority carrier devices. So conduction takes place by using the electronics. Operations are divided into two steps. First one is the formation of depletion region and second one is the creation of inversion layer. How formation of depletion region work? Due to positive voltage applied between gate and body. Positive voltage, see here, positive voltage is applied between gate and body. Positive voltage is applied between gate and body. These electrons are attracted towards the gate and gather below the SiO2 layer. Then produces depletion region by combining holes and electrons. Here the depletion regions are, in this region depletion regions are generated. Here the depletion region are generated. Now creation of inversion layer. If the positive gate voltage increased, the number of electrons below SiO2 layer will be greater than the number of holes. Due to this, conductivity of P layer close to SiO2 layer will change from positive to negative. That means n-type sublayer formed below the SiO2 layer, and this process is known as creation of inversion layer. See here, this is the structure of MOSFET. Here the positive gate is applied between gate and body. At that time, gate having a positive charge and body having a negative charge. At that time, these holes and electrons are reached to the SiO2 layer. Now the MOSFET is a type of MOSFET. The operating principle of MOSFET is similar to the general MOSFET. The power MOSFET is very special to handle the high level of powers. It shows the high switching speed, and by comparing with the normal MOSFET, the power MOSFET will work better. The power MOSFET is widely used in N-channel enhancement mode, P-channel enhancement mode, and in nature of N-channel depletion mode. Here we have explained about the N-channel power MOSFET. IV characteristics of power MOSFET. IV characteristics of power MOSFET is divided into three regions. First one is the ohmic region, second one is the saturation region, and third one is the cutoff region. In ohmic region, in this region, as the VDS increases, ID current also increases. See here, in ohmic region, these are the ohmic region. In ohmic region, as the VDS current increases, ID current is also increases. In saturation region, as the VDS increases, ID current, this is the saturation region. In saturation region, is here the VDS current increases, ID current throughout constant. Here the ID current throughout constant. And in cutoff region, ID current below the 0. IV characteristics of or VI characteristics of power MOSFET is the graphical representation of voltage on x-axis, current on y-axis. Here the voltage is VDS and output current is the ID. These characteristics is divided into three regions. First one is the ohmic region, second one is the saturation region, and third one is the cutoff region. In cutoff region, ID current below the 0 volt. ID current below the 0, ID current below the 0. In ohmic region, as the VDS increases, ID also increases. In saturation region, as the VDS increases, ID current throughout constant. Now, these are some advantages, disadvantages and applications of power MOSFET. Advantages is the low input current. It is a voltage controlled device. Switching speed is very high and high switching frequency, and they do not having a second breakdown mechanism. Disadvantages of power MOSFET: the on-state voltage across a power MOSFET is high. On-state power dissipation is also very high. Power MOSFET need special care handling, otherwise damaged due to static electricity. And these are some applications of power MOSFET. In high frequency inverter, SMPS, UPS, motor controlled applications, industrial controlled applications, and display driver. Here the see here, this is the 4 region n plus p, n minus and n plus layer. Here the positive gate voltage is applied between gate and source. Due to this positive gate voltage, there are two junctions, there are two layers are generated. First layer is called as the inversion, first layer is called as the depletion layer, and second one is called as the inversion layer. The formation of depletion region is generated due to this gate is applied to the body, indirectly body. Then here is the in this part, here is the depletion regions are generated. Depletion region. In formation of depletion region,